In today's video, we are going to show you how to activate your Nordea Bank card. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is download and open the Nordea mobile app on your phone. If you are using an Android, go to the Google Play Store. If you are using an iPhone, go to App Store. And then log in using your bank ID or your usual login method. Inside the dashboard, I want you to go to the cards section, which is going to be this one. You will see your new card listed there, usually marked as inactive or not activated. All I have to do is tap on the card that you want to activate, for example, my Nordea Gold. Click on it. You may be asked to confirm your identity using your bank ID, PIN code, or a secure login information. And all I have to do is approve the request to continue. After activation, your card is ready to use. You can try it with an ATM withdrawal or a small in-store purchases, or adding it to your Apple Pay or Google Pay. Remember, if you encounter any problems activating your Nordea Bank card, hover on the bottom right corner, click the help section, and start a chat with the customer service and tell them your situation, that you are having issues on activating your Nordea Bank card. The customer support will be more than glad to help you fix your problem. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to activate your Nordea Bank card. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.